Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on an upcycled craft. We're going to take a glass candle jar and create a Halloween light decoration. Okay, for this project you'll need one glass candle jar. You'll also need one paintbrush, scissors, a Halloween themed napkin, Mod Podge, and I'm also using some assorted craft gems. Okay, so you want to start off by removing the second layer of your napkin. Okay, so once you have removed the second layer, you are now ready to make your cuts on your decorative napkin. So you'll just cut out a section of your napkin, and once you have done that, go ahead and cut out each of your designs that you'll want to use on your candle jar. Okay, so now you're ready to apply your Mod Podge. You'll take each of your cutout designs and you will add those to your glass candle jar. So what you'll do is you'll take a paintbrush and apply a thin layer of Mod Podge over the section that you'll want your design. Once you have done that, you will place your cutouts over the Mod Podge, and then you will take some Mod Podge and apply it over your cutout. Also, once you have applied your Mod Podge on top, you want to make sure that there are no creases or wrinkles, and you can also use a heating tool on the low setting to dry your Mod Podge. Okay, so the last step is to add on your assorted gems. I'm using E6000 here. You can also use hot glue, but for this I just decided to use the E6000. So what you'll do is just take some of your E6000, apply it on the back of each of the gems, and add them to your glass jar. Once you have done that, that completes your upcycled Halloween light decoration. Thank you all so much for coming by and creating with me. I'll see you soon.